you get?
Whoa.
Boy.
Wait a second, Mom. I'm doing this my way, all right?
What are you gonna do with those?
Oh, boy.
You gonna put them on? Oh, you're not gonna wear necklaces today?
Okay.
You say he loves necklaces.
Okay. We'll have
I'm
to
busy with my marshmallow.
That's true.
Yeah.
Very busy with his marshmallows.
Hey, open the present that's in the top of your stocking.
Hi.
Don't open the rest of the stocking because I don't want him to